Okay, today I'm going to show you how to use Snagit to capture your screen. So you're going to find the pink and white icon on your toolbar, and if you see, when I hover over it, I see TechSmith Snagit. So I'm going to click on that, and what I want to do is I want to capture video. So I'm going to click the video option. I don't need a webcam. My microphone is on, and I'm going to click capture. And then if I want full screen, I can click full screen. That means it's going to capture my entire screen. And then I'm going to hit the record button, and it's going to count down to me. You'll see 3, 2, 1, and now it's recording my screen. So I can go wherever I want on my screen, and it will record my screen, and it will also record my voice. So if I want to pull up a Google Slides presentation, I can, and I can click through it, and I can narrate it, and it will capture it. And then when I'm done, I hit the stop button, and it will process the video for me, and then it will give me the option of editing the video if I need to, and you'll see here it pops up, and I can cut parts of it out if I need to. And then when I'm done, I'm going to click finish. I'm going to name my video. I can select the Google folder where I want the video to appear, and then I can upload it. And then you should find it in that Google Drive folder. Now it does take some time to upload, so you have to give it a little bit of time, and then you can find it in your Google Drive folder. And that is how you use Snagit.